our second activity, which is 4-digit 7-segment display activity. Ever seen digital clocks on counters? They run on 7-segment displays. So today let's learn how to control a 4-digit display with our trainer kit. This activity is about 4-digit 7-segment display, which allows us to show numbers from 0000 to 9999. Unlike a single LED, this display can represent multi-digit values, making it perfect for clocks, timers, counters, and measuring devices. To understand how microcontroller drivers a 4-digit 7-segment display and how multiplexing is used to control multiple digits efficiently. So components required for this activity is 4-digit 7-segment display. This is microcontroller, resistors for current timing, and now we will see working principle of this activity. The 4-digit display is made of 4 individual 7-segment displays that share common pins. Since the microcontroller doesn't have enough pins to drive all segments directly, we use a technique called multiplexing. And here how it works. Only one digit lights up at a time. The microcontroller switches between digits very quickly because of persistence of vision. Our eyes see all 4 digits glowing continuously. This makes it possible to display numbers like counters, temperature, or timers with minimal hardware. After uploading the code, see the display is showing some numbers. If you update the code, it can act as a countdown timer, a stopwatch, or even a digital clock. From this activity, we have learned the concept of multiplexing and how large numerical data is displayed using fewer microcontroller pins. This is exactly how calculators, clocks, weighing machine, and fuel dispenser shows numbers. And that was our 4-digit 7-segment display activity. Turning simple numbers into a live digital display. Stay tuned as we move to more advanced sensor-based project.